staring so heavily. See there. It is very good to see nature, right, Sanu? See here. It's so good. It's so good here. Guys, and these trees are green. I like this. It's raining down there. You can't see? Okay, I will let you see. See, it's raining down there. You can see? Yes, I can see by the camera. See. Okay, you must have not seen it. It's so good here. Hello. This is so small tree. Guys, I'm joking. It's very big. It cannot come in my hand. So it's so good. My son will swing today. So in today's video, my mother is also here. Hello. And this is my little brother, Sanu. You met him in Playtime House, right?
No, I will do Lulu.
He's saying that he will swing in the nature. Okay, I will now show you. See here. I will zoom and show you. Wow. And this is Sanu. And this is my little brother's swing. See, swinging. Hello, I'm Vishan.